Look, I get it. What reason could there possibly be for someone to spend their time trying to create a song using only scratch blocks? Well, it all started last Saturday. Do you guys know who I'm sick of? Aya. This guy always thinks he's so funny. Always putting these funny little references to me in his videos, and he thinks I'm just gonna sit here and take it. He thinks I'm going to do nothing about it. But I'm not gonna let him get away with this. I'm going to take him down the way YouTubers have done for years. We're gonna be making an Aya diss track. And you're probably wondering, how are you gonna make a song? Aren't you just a scratch YouTuber? You see this little plus icon right here? You see this little music extension right here? You see this little play notes block right here? You see this little play drum block right here? Look at that, look at that. I am going to be making an entire song only using scratch blocks. This might be a really bad idea. I have decided that I am going to make a diss track on you in classic YouTuber fashion.
Okay, so if you're gonna make a diss track on me, I'm gonna make one on you. Why would you announce it? Why would you announce it?
Well, I thought it was only fair to give you the chance to make a diss track on me if you wanted to or something. But
oh, okay.
I'm not scared. Like, I know you're not gonna do good. Like, they used to call me Young Polly. I was a rapper back in the day before I got into coding, and let's just say that my beats are not ones to mess with.
Wait, when did you start coding? When did you stop and just move to AI?
Whoa! I'm done with this. I'm setting the timer. As soon as I press this button, the challenge will officially begin. In 3, 2, 1. I'm sick of him. I'm sick of him, and it's time we fight back. I'm not taking this. I don't even use AI, guys. I've used AI like 3 times, 4 times. All right, every song starts with a beat. I don't know if that's true. It just sounds like a smart thing to say, but why don't we go ahead and let's add a snare drum. Okay, so we have some options here for percussion. This is what we call percussion in the music industry. It's like drums and stuff. This is like the percussion, if anyone was curious. We have a bongo. This could be cool. Aya is so lame. Aya is so lame. So the way you can make music in Scratch is you can use all of these music blocks, and you have a flag. You can use the music blocks in your regular loops of code. So I think what I'll do is start with like a repeat 10, and let's just do something like this. Okay, that sounded cooler in my head.
All right, so that's the beginning of our song. I think we just like get like a cool beat like this. Oh yeah, and then we just repeat that forever. How do you do that? Variables, operators. I'm at a disadvantage because I don't use this for every single video like Polymars does.
Play this, rest for 25 beats, play another and another. Maybe like 0.3, 0.3. Listen to this, listen to this. Aya. More like. Okay, the lyrics might need some work, but we're getting somewhere with the beat. These are the music blocks we have to work with. Percussion, and then notes, and then different instruments for the notes. So we have a guitar, electric piano. Electric piano's cool. Electric guitar, that's cool. There's so many instruments. Wait, we might be able to make something that's actually decent. All right, now that we kind of have an idea of how to get some music set up in Scratch, we need lyrics. It's not a diss track without disses. So it's time. This is what I've been waiting for all along. It's time to finally let out how I feel about this annoying gray freaking unicorn.
Oh, there you go. How about we try to find some dirt on Polymars YouTube? Polymars plus. See what's going on.
I just made an entire game on my phone in a few minutes.
Wait, here's a short that has promotion? That's crazy. What are people saying about it? AI generated games heartbreak. Ollie, this is too low. All right, so the bills cannot be this high. Oh, how did Polymars go for making actually? I don't even need. I could just show his comment section. Even if I was offered to do this advertisement for $1 million, I wouldn't. Polymars, why? Rip. Gang putting himself out of a job. All right, so I think we can hit on that, right? I wonder how many of his videos have promotions.
This is a scratch
Includes
game.
paid promotion.
There's this game called
Is
Battle.
everyone paid?
This video is sponsored by Skillshare, an online learning platform for creatives. I've been using Skillshare to improve my game development skills because I really need it. Right now, I'm taking a Blender class by Harry Helps. It's been super helpful for getting better at 3D modeling. I went from this to this. Skillshare has classes in art, coding, animation, and even YouTube. Everything is self-paced, so whether you have a busy schedule or lots of free time, you can learn whenever it works for you. What I like most is that it's designed for creatives with hands-on projects like this campsite or even entire games. If you've been thinking about learning something new, this is a great place to start. The first 500 people to use my link get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Click the link below to check it out. I've seriously been loving it, so I think you will too. Thanks, Skillshare. Now back to the video.
He's got a bunch of sponsors. He's a sellout. Right? That's what we got to work with. Okay, got that. Specifically AI generation. I noticed this. He streamed the other week. He reacted to a video. He was in a Jubilee. Oh, here he is. He's in the thumbnail. So he went to Brown. Look at this. He went to Brown, but he's wearing a Harvard t-shirt. Look at this. Look at how cringe is that? There's this part where he was just kind of like chilling in the back.
Your deficit in America, I can't think of a better alternative that is able to accommodate for that. Like, if the choice is between like not,
what do I do with my hands?
looking at these
Very
Anyway,
fair
I think-
process, and I don't think colleges are going out of their way to make it unfair for anyone.
What do I do with my watch now? Definitely use that as ammo.
Call him a horse? That's good, that's good. You think you're a unicorn, but you're just a horse. Oh, wait, that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. You think you're a unicorn, but you're just a horse. Your content is the worst. Hey, maybe not that. Oh, wait. You think you're a unicorn, but you're just a horse. If my content is bad, then yours is the worst. Made a game for 3 whole years, and still nobody cares. Making an RPG? Guys, so Aya's working on this RPG for the past 3 years called Mana Valley. Making an RPG, but your own stats are flat. Can I recreate a game I've never played? Nobody's watching that. Yeah. Is Mana Valley your game, or is Mana Valley your views? Because these views are in a valley. His views are in like the valley. Okay, wait, what's his most viewed video? Okay, using Danny for views. Yeah. Now you're a horse. Gray and old. Your channel is a corpse. Made a game in 3 whole years and nobody cares. My game in 1 hour is bigger than your whole career. Wow. Your game is Mana Valley and so are your views. Dipping so low, even the algorithm's confused. People only care when Danny's in your title. Rhymes with title. Not much, what? People only care when Danny's in your thumbnail. Chasing trends every day and somehow you still fail. Yeah. That's good. That's actually crazy. That's crazy. All right, and then we need one final line to close off the song. You know, like a mic drop, like boom. Your game is open world, but you can't think outside the box. A fantasy RPG? Yeah, that's gonna sell lots. What? That's crazy. This is not a song. This is like 30 seconds of bad rhyme. All right. Now it's time to get these lyrics over our beats in Scratch.
All right, so how can we got to come up with a rap part. We got to write some lyrics, I think. Okay, so we could talk about O'Hare from Lorax. This is probably too deep of a cut. Remember that cut? O'Hare from the Lex. Hairline looking like Dr. Seuss is back. He used the game dev scene. like a ladder. Oh yeah, now you're out of reach. Went to Brown or Harvard just to flex in the streets. Bargie's gone. Did he outgrow the brand? Too old for your cast? Yeah, because Polymorphs makes videos for children. Too old for your cast or saw through the scan? Polly, you left the game moved on. Oh yeah. Let's see. Can I record that? I've never done this before. Check, check, check. Chickadee check, check, check. Growl! We gotta do something like that too, right? That's like growl. It's kind of sick, right? Growl! Maybe go lower. Growl! 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 Okay. I'm actually so embarrassed to record this even. It's so cringe.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Yo, remember that cut? Oh, hair from the lax. Hairline looking like Dr. Seuss is back.
You say you're a unicorn, but now you're a horse. Gray and old, is that a YouTube channel or a corpse?
Oh, God. Can you guys just forgive me for this? Definitely out of my comfort zone.
Made a game for 3 whole years and nobody cares. My game in 1 hour is bigger than your whole career.
You just seemed like a ladder, now you're out of reach. Went to Brown, wore Harvard just to flex in the streets.
Making an RPG, but your own stats are flat. Recreating a game you've never played, nobody's watching that.
Argie's gone. Did he outgrow the brand? Too old for your cast or saw through the scam?
Your game is Mana Valley. Did you name it after your views? Dipping so low, even the algorithm's confused.
Polly, you left the game moved on. This ain't hate, it's history.
Your game is open world, but you can't think outside the box. A fantasy RPG? Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna sell lots. Yo! That's crazy.
Yo, remember that cut? Oh, hair from the lax. Hairline looking like Dr. Seuss is back.
Yo, remember that cut? Oh, hair from the lax. Hairline looking like Dr. Seuss is back.
I like the faster one. Probably because it sounds less like me and it's faster. This is like the nerdiest thing in the whole world.
Okay, let's see how our beat sounds with our lyrics over it.
You say you're a unicorn, but now you're a horse.
Why does it sound so crunchy? Oh no, bro. Why does it sound cooked? Wait, is it because of my microphone? It's using the wrong microphone. Oh my. Okay, we definitely need to re-record that with the correct microphone. You say you're a unicorn, but now you're a horse. Gray and old, is that a YouTube? Chat, I think we cooked him. I'm happy with that. Songs usually don't repeat the same 4 things infinitely, so it's time to make this sound like an actual song in the next 10 minutes. Chat, we might be cooked.
Can't I like make a function? I don't have time for this. I guess I'll just do this over and over and over. I guess we're just doing this. I'm so actually, we have 10 minutes. Who composes music vertically? I have 4 minutes. That's time. Is this a 1 minute diss track? I don't even think it's 1 minute. It's probably like 20 seconds. I just ran out of time.
All right, we are running out of time, so we really need to lock in with it. This song has potential. This song has so much potential. All right, time to cook. Scratch. Okay, lock in, lock in. Okay. How's this? You say you're a unicorn, but now you're a horse. Gray and old, is that a YouTube channel or a corpse? Oh, it's good, it's good. I want to have some graphics on the screen too. A few graphics, a few visual aids for our song. All right, let me download some images. Scratch is definitely gonna take this down, by the way. We're literally just personally insulting another user on their platform. I don't think that's allowed. Okay, we have 1 minute left. Homeless PNG. All right. This should work now. All right, we did it just in time. We cooked him. I think we cooked him, but it's time to see what Aya created about us. Aya.
Polymars.
How did your little diss track that you were working on, how did that go?
I don't know, it's pretty fire. Everyone in my chat said that they couldn't believe what I put in it, so.
I cooked you pretty hard. I need a name for my song. Oh, I have it. Are you ready to present what we have created? All right, we have Polygon. Drop. Okay, I already don't like you. I think this will be nothing compared to my diss track, but.
Remember that cut? Oh, hair from the lax. Hairline looking like Dr. Seuss. Seemed like a ladder, now you're out of reach. Went to Brown, wore hover just to flex in the street. Just gone, did you outgrow the brand? Too old for your cast or saw through the scam? Holly, you left the game moved on. This ain't hate, it's history.
I wasn't expecting you to cut so deep there. Wow. Wow. The hairline is too far. The hairline was too far. Yeah, I feel like your rhythm's kind of off here. Your flow is kind of, I don't know. I mean, maybe it's because you're really old. So I don't know if you know about like how rap music works.
It's ionic pentameter, so it's like you might not get it.
Yeah,
Iambic pentameter.
yeah.
Old gray horse.
Old gray horse. Before you play this, I just would like to apologize to you. I'm so sorry for nothing that you're about to hear.
Okay.
You say you're a unicorn, but now you're a horse. Gray and Old, is that a YouTube channel or a course? Made a game for 3 whole years and nobody cares. My game in 1 hour is bigger than your whole career. Making an RPG, but your own stats are flat. Recreating a game you've never played, nobody's watching that. Your game, Mana Valley, did you name it after your views? Dipping so low, even the algorithm's confused. People only cared when you put Danny in your thumbnail. Chasing trends every day and somehow you still fail. Your game is open world, but you can't think outside the box. A fantasy RPG? Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna sell lots.
What do you think of that? What do you think of that, Aya?
Does it just keep going?
Yeah, I couldn't figure out how to end it. Look, we had an hour, okay? We had an hour. I'll send the lyrics if you want to take a closer look at them too. Just so you can really, really soak these in.
Wow, I thought you were my friend.
If you missed it, I said, Gray and Old, is that a YouTube channel or a corpse? Made a game for 3 whole years and nobody cares? My game in 1 hour is bigger than your whole career? In case you missed some of the lines.
I give it a 3 stars
Out of what?
out of Chicken Jockey.
I don't care what you think of my diss track because it's time for chat to decide who created the best song in Scratch. Polygon or Old Gray Horse? Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's close. It's close. Oh no. All right. All right. It's tied 3-3. His was like 3 seconds long. It wasn't even a song. It was just like, I wouldn't even call that a song, guys. I wouldn't even call his a song. I don't know if he might get disqualified.
Wait, what?
Like,
Why would I get
If
disqualified?
it was up to me, I'd disqualify you, but it's up to chat. Like, it wasn't even a song. Like, I have 6 whole votes right now. Let's go. Okay, okay. Okay, it's tied. Oh no, it's close. 56, 55, 1 minute. Come on, guys. Guys, mine was better. It just was better. I don't understand the confusion here. I don't even understand how this is so close. When his was 2 seconds long, mine had an amazing beat, amazing lyrics. Guys, come on. I clearly cooked it.
Let's go.
No, no.
Let's go. We took the lead.
No. Stop. 10, 9, no, please. 8, please. Guys, please. 5, 4, 3, no. It's over.
I guess you really are Polygon.